In this video, I'll show you how to fix the PDF preview handler error in Outlook. If you've ever tried to preview a PDF and received an error saying, "This file cannot be previewed because of an error with the PDF preview handler," don't worry, we've got you covered. This issue usually happens due to missing or outdated Adobe Acrobat reader, disabled preview settings, corrupted Outlook profiles, or conflicts with add-ins. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Update Adobe Acrobat Reader. Make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Reader installed. Go to Adobe's website, download and install updates, then restart Outlook. Step 2. Set Adobe as your default PDF viewer. Open Adobe Reader, go to Preferences, and enable PDF thumbnail previews. Then select Adobe as your default PDF handler. Step 3. Clear temporary files. Press Windows+R, type %temp, and delete all files. Step 4. Repair your Outlook profile. If the issue persists, your Outlook profile may be corrupted. Open Settings, then Apps, look at the Outlook app and click the three dots, then Repair if available. This option in your system, by following these steps, your PDF preview should start working again seamlessly in Outlook. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Outlook and Windows tips.